Hey there, ladies and gents. So today I'm coming to you with one of these treasure rock archaeology rocks that you can dig up. And this is an Egyptian one. Discover Egyptian treasures. This is actually from the Dollar General, and it was like $2.50. And I guess it's supposed to have a glowstone or something. So yeah. Yep. It gives you instructions on how to do it and all that sort of thing. So it is a Sphinx. So I'm going to start doing this. Kind of one-handed. So you got this tool, a brush, and I've never seen a hammer before. It's not a very hard hammer. So let's see. I am not one of the most patient, so it may be that I may take a stone and just smash it, so just to get in faster. Because I have 3 other ones to try. Slamming it does not do anything, but he's lost his nose like the real one now. Nope, refuses to break. Okay. I am impatient, and I don't want to wait any longer. And it's kind of hard to do one-handed with a video. See ya, Sphinx. And there it is. Whoa! Okay, I have 2 spectators on the edge of the seat, and there is 3 gems. Oh, those would look gorgeous in my beta tank. With approval, of course. But 3 glass gems, or plastic gems. I think I would love to keep those for my tank. But I have to ask the one that is supposed to have this if I can have them. So well worth the $2.50 for that. Just because of the hammer. And I'm going to use this for another project. And this is great. If you're impatient like me, a stone really helps. And I'm just smashing it up just to see all the stones. So I guess that's it for that. And yep. See you in the next video.